Here I'm doing a little video. I'm replacing the starter. You have to remove this line, which is your antifreeze, to allow you access to the bolt, which is underneath there. Alright, I'll come back. So here I am, Mr. Rat Rod. Please like and subscribe to my videos. I need the subscribers. So right here is the starter, which I'm installing a new starter. It's a used one. And the one bolt, which will be a bit of a challenge. You have to take this hose off, this hose off. Okay, this is to your coolant. Alright, and it has to be pulled back, and it's sitting back in behind. You have to get a wrench in there. It's a slow process, but it can be done. So the car is going to have to be run, and the air bubbles will have to be taken out of the motor. So I'll come back a little bit later and show you some more. But I did a fuel pump on this in a previous video. What's going on with the starter is the starter skips the tooth and was crunching the flywheel, or flex plate, excuse me. So, and I'll show you the other starter under the back of my truck. The teeth are carved off here, and there's way too much play. It goes up and down, which it shouldn't be doing that. It should be nice and tight. So what's happening is that it's getting out of kilter and it's skipping the teeth on here. It's not fully engaging. So, and that's why the old starter came out. It was progressively getting worse and worse. It's just the bushings are worn out in the starter itself. The car itself has over 200,000 on it. So, as you can see, it's quite the layout. There's the back bolt, which is very easy to get at. This one is the one that's difficult. That's going behind the lines. So, I will get back to getting this one into place. Crank her over, let her run, warm up, and flush all the air bubbles out of the system. I don't know why piss poor design shouldn't have to take coolant lines off. They should have directed them in different areas, because they're right over top of it, and there's no way to get it out without actually. This is one of the reasons they do this, so you have to go to a garage. Alright. Give me a minute. So here we are again. The starter's not crunching. Started up very nicely. Idling away. Just getting the air bubbles out of the coolant system, which means the car needs to warm up. And we'll get all the air bubbles for the thermostat to open. There are no leaks down there. And she's running like a top. Alright, this is Mr. Rat Rod. Please like and subscribe my videos. Hit that subscribe button. There'll be more coming. My own personal stuff, plus I help people out with their cars. So you never know what I'm working on next. So could be a Mercedes, could be a Porsche, for Christ's sake, 53 Bel Air, whatever comes across. All right. So Please hit that like and subscribe. Bye.